Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to scale a PDF drawing and then take measurements from it in iTwoCostX. To do that, we have to first of all add our PDF drawing. I have it on my desktop and here's it. I'm going to select all. Okay. Now I'm going to go to page 2. I need to establish, in order to scale it, I need to first of all use a measure tool and then measure a known distance on my drawing. And from here to here, I can see that is 0.188 meters on paper, but that's supposed to be 11,530 millimeters. So we need to rescale the drawing. To do that, I'm just going to right-click on the model and then edit properties. Now you can see here horizontal scale and vertical scale. Horizontal scale is 1:1, vertical scale is 1:1. Okay, that means we have to think about how to include a scale here, okay, to make sure that it reflects what we have on paper. And then also we have to maintain the aspect ratio. That means if you uncheck this, then you have to rescale the horizontal and vertical scale separately. For now, let's look for that scale, the value that I'm going to put here, so that it should be 1:something and 1:something. So to do that, we have seen that 0.188 meters, which is the same as 188 millimeters, is equal to 11,530. Let's make sure that that's what we have on paper. Yeah, 11,530 millimeters on plan, and this one is on paper or on drawing. Okay, so if we have that, then 1 unit should be equal to what? That should be equal to 1 times 11,530 millimeter divided by 188 millimeter. With that, we can clearly see that the millimeter cancel each other. That will be equal to, let me use my calculator for that. So we have 11,530 divided by 188. That gives me 61.3. So let's take it at 62. Now, normally scales are usually in multiples of 5 or 10. So you have like 60, 65, 70, and so on. But for now, let's just leave it at 62. Okay, so the scale should be in this format, 1:62. So I'll now come to my cos X, and then I'm going to enter 62 here. But since I've maintained this ratio, I'm just going to leave it and say update. Okay. Now, if I now come back and measure here, see, it's about 11 point something. It's not going to be perfect, which is understandable because this one is a PDF, it might have been squashed, and we are not snapping to points. So it's 11 point something meters. So that's the same as 11 point something meters that we have on the plan. So we've rescaled our drawing. So now what we need to do now is to measure from it. So I'm just going to calculate a bedroom 1 area. So I'm going to go to dimensions, add, I'm going to say bedroom 1. I'm going to put the area. Then in the folder, I'm going to create a folder called floors. I'm going to leave it measurement type as area. So is that. So I can now measure bedroom 1. Yep, so that's it. As an area here, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye. Until the next lecture.